Hi guys, my name is Reema and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing fine. Last month in August, there was a freedom sale on Amazon and I have ordered a lot of kitchen and crockery items. The reason why I am uploading this video now is because I was testing some of the products that I brought from Amazon to give you a little product review of each of those items, and also some of the items got delivered a little late. Also, if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel as I will be doing videos on home decor, lifestyle, food and travel. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. The first item is a cello dinner set. It is a 37-piece set. For this price, it is a good buy, I would say. So I don't remember the price, but I will mention it on the screen somewhere, and also all the products that I will be mentioning in this video will all be linked in the description box, so you guys could check that out. So the set comes with big plates, 6 of big plates, the small quarter plates, veg bowls and dessert bowls, soup spoons. And for the serving bowls, I was expecting them a little bigger. I don't know, maybe the photo which was shown in the Amazon, for me it made it look a little bigger, so I was expecting them a little bigger and they were quite small comparatively, so I was kind of not impressed there. Along with that, the worst part is the serving bowls come with the lid, and the lid is a plastic lid and also not good quality. So I was highly disappointed with the cello. And also, to my surprise, it also came with salt and pepper set, which I did not expect, and I don't remember reading it in the description box. So we have this dinner set. Of course, it is made out of plastic, not that great, but yeah, you get a good set of salt and pepper. So overall, it was a decent buy, I would say, for that price, and I would give it a thumbs up. So the next item is silicone spatula set. These were very important for me, as you know, when we cook in the kitchen, we tend to use those steel wala spatulas, and it becomes very difficult when we are making any veggies. It gets heated up soon and you tend to burn your fingers. That has happened with me a lot of time. So I wanted a good alternative for it, and when I found these silicone spatulas, I just bought them. You know, these are exactly the way they are shown in the pictures. They are quite big, quite sturdy, and this frosty look of the spatulas makes it look good, I would say, and very easy to clean. And you can use this for vegetable mixing and also for cake or pastry dough mixing. You know, it cleans the utensil very well. When you make any mess in the utensil, you know, it gets very easy to clean with this. And you can see this tip is a little flexible, and also it is very easy to clean otherwise as well. Just one wash and as good as new. The only problem with this I found out is I've been using one of them for vegetable cooking, so this turns a bit of yellowish. I think it takes the color of the turmeric or the spices. I'm not sure whether you could differentiate it clearly, but it is turned a little yellow. Let me just grab this. Oh, okay, yeah. See, this is white and this is turned a little yellowish. It was as white as this before. So whenever you are using one spatula for oil or vegetable mixing, please tend to use it only for that purpose and not use it for cake mixing. You know, it will just spoil the taste of it. So it was, for me, it is a good buy. So I will give it a thumbs up. So the next item is the stainless steel spoon set. So the entire set, along with the stand, it comes with the stainless steel. So it has 4 different types of spoons, that is, each of them has a set of 6 tablespoon, teaspoons, soup spoons and forks. If you don't want soup spoons, you can replace it with butter knives. That means it will be a completely different product with all the other 3 sets of spoons with butter knives. It looks quite shiny and it does not take a lot of space. It's kind of compact and it can look good on your kitchen shelf or on the dining area. Overall, it was a good purchase. So thumbs up. So the next item is a platter that is kind of a tray and it is made up of melamine material. Melamine is kind of plastic but not plastic, and it is more durable than plastic. That is, it will not break that easily. And it also has a good finish, good shape, and I like the color. It has that matte black finish. To my surprise, again, it comes with a pair of tongs, which I did not read it in the title or in the description again. The tongue is made up of stainless steel, and it was an added bonus. And together they make a very good set, and they look very presentable on your dining area. Quality wise, it is okay. I would not say it is good, but for that price, I think it has done an okay job. So overall, it is an okay purchase. So the next product I have ordered is in similar lines with the tray, that is this white kadai. It looks so beautiful and so presentable on my dining area. The design and the pattern it has on the outside, it makes it look so presentable and so good. Now this kadai is also a melamine material, that is plastic, so do not preferably use it in microwave. Also, I was not able to find this item on Amazon as I have ordered this one from Home Center, but I will try to link the Home Center one as well along with an alternative you can get on Amazon for this kadai. So the next item that I have ordered is this Teflon non-stick cake mold. It is of good quality, and also the size is the perfect one, which is mentioned in the description box. Along with that, it comes with a buckle so that you can open this up. Let me just show you. So push it a more, and you can separate out this plate and this section separately. You can use this plate for pizza dough. It is microwave friendly, so you can of course use it in microwave. Easy to clean, and also in some cases we use cooker to bake our cake, so in that case we can also use it in cooker. Overall, it was a good purchase, but kind of I have used it only once, so I am not sure about this product that much. So let me know what you guys think about this product. What are your views on this if you have used it, so that everyone is informed in the comment section below. The next item is a spoon holder. Now, a few days back, I was searching for a spoon holder on my dining area. Now, it should serve as the purpose of both spoon holder as well as napkin holder. I did not want it to have a separate storage for both of them. So I wanted something unique which fits in both of them. So a couple of days ago, during the sale, I came across this. Look at this, guys. It is so cute. It is like a handbag, and as you can see it in my hand, it is quite big, and it serves as the purpose of spoon, forks or spatulas. Even that would work for this. And even if you don't want to use it for that, you can use it as a napkin holder. Even it serves as a best home decor, put it in one corner with some flowers and lights. It will just light up that area. I love this, and it is a good purchase. The next item in the list is a glass jar. So this is it. It is a transparent glass, and it holds almost 200, a little more than 200, maybe 200 to 20 ml, and it fits the spices correctly or perfectly, in the perfect size, maybe in your kitchen, not too big, not too small. And it has this golden lid, so it makes it look good. It's very easy, open and close, that's it. Because of its shape, you can get a good grip of the jar. This is exactly the way it was shown in the pictures, and I got a set of 8 of these for only $3.75. So it is a very good and an affordable alternative for all your plastic containers in the kitchen area. 8 of these for $3.75. It's a good deal, guys. If you get it, please buy it. I am going to mention the link of this in the description box. If you get your hands on it, please go for it. It is worth every money, and it makes your kitchen shelf or a tabletop look so elegant. It is a good buy, good purchase. So the next item in the list is this Borosil square dish. It is a tiny dish, but it is so good. It is quite heavy as Borosil gives you a good quality glass, so this is quite heavy, so it makes it difficult to break. But of course it depends on the user how to handle the glass, because at the end of the day it is glass and it can break. It can be used for a lot of items like pudding, dhokla, lasagna, a lot of items. And also you could use it on a daily basis, like you could keep leftovers in the fridge. This is microwave friendly, so you could use it to warm your food items as well. So always remember, so whenever you remove any item from the fridge, make it a point that you cool it to the room temperature first and then put it in oven, and vice versa. If anything you remove from the oven which is quite hot, wait it to cool it down to room temperature and then put it in the fridge. It's not only for this glass, but it can be for any item or any food material. I also ordered another dish in the similar form. It comes in this, by the way, in this Borosil box, in this package. Just open it like this, and we have this round plate. It has this depth, it has this whole design. It looks very good. It comes with this holder. Good quality, guys, good quality. And these two are my best purchases. So the next item is this apron. I wanted to use apron while in the kitchen because it spoils my clothes inside. So I wanted to buy this apron. It's a simple apron, like geometric design. I like this blue teal color. It's a good combination. It has two pockets, one here, one here. A good design. It's cotton material also, so it's good. Along with that, I also ordered a set of these hot pot holders. So this is the back design of it, and this is the front design in the similar way as the apron. It also has a pocket here, and you can also pin it up and hold it here using these. So that is also good. As all this combination and this set is good. So the next item is this wine glass. They look so good. I got this as a set of 6 for $7.99 only. Set of 6 for $7.99 is a good deal. Go for it. They look good for my crockery unit. I specifically brought them for crockery unit, and of course I'm going to use them. These were packaged very well, so they had double bubble wrap, one for each of those glasses and one for the entire box. So the packaging was good and it was delivered without any scratch. So quality wise, I would say it is a good buy. It's not very heavy or it's not very light or thin glass. It's a good quality as it is required. So in all, it's a good purchase. So the next item is this pineapple glass. This is my second best purchase from Amazon. It has this pineapple texture all over the glass, and also its bottom is the top of the pineapple, or you could just turn it and you could see a pineapple. This is a pineapple glass, and you could put any colored juices or orange juice or anything colored. It would look very good on this. You could use it for anything, of course, but I will just show you the texture up close. I'm not sure whether you could see it clearly. I don't know why I expected it to be a little bigger, but it is a bit smaller than the expectation. But I think this size makes up for the entire design of this glass. I just love this glass, and it's a good buy, and they just look so pretty in my crockery unit. Good purchase. So the next item is this multi-purpose chopper. I came across this recently and I am in love with that. I use it, I would not say that often, but I use it whenever I need to cut a lot of vegetables. Like I prepare pizza at home. So whenever I am doing that, you need a lot of onions, tomatoes, capsicum, mushrooms, like a lot of veggies to put in there, and it takes a really long time in just cutting them. So what I do is I use that, and it reduced my time to 15 minutes. I was ready with all the cut vegetables in 15 minutes, guys. so that was a good time saver and energy for me. However, I would not recommend to use it on the daily basis, because on daily basis you do not have a lot of vegetables to cut, so it will take a lot of time to cut it and then wash it. And also one more point, if you try to put in the entire onion or a potato and try to cut it, it will not get cut. It will require a lot of energy from your side. You have to be a Hulk to push it. So much energy is needed. So instead what you could do is you divide it into 1/4 piece of that particular item, like an onion. So cut it into half and then half, so 1/4, and then put it and then push it. It becomes easier like that. Yes, and it is easy to clean. It has this button on the top. You could just push it and all the attached veggies will get clean. Just wash it with water once and it gets clean. The entire box is a plastic material, but it's a good quality plastic, so it will not break that easily. Along with that, it comes with a rubber base, so it can hold a good grip. It comes with a lot of changeables or cutters. So along with that, it also comes with a peeler, a grater, and a safety holder, which is very important while you are slicing anything or grating. So overall, it is a good purchase. I've been using it for some time and I've had a good experience with it. If you use it correctly, though. Otherwise, yeah, it is a good purchase. That is it for today's video, guys. Please do hit the like button if you found this video useful, and also subscribe to my channel. And also along with that, please press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. If you guys have used any of the products that I have mentioned in the video, please let me know in the comment section below what are your views on those products. Along with that, I have mentioned all the product links in the description box. Please go and check that out. Until then, take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.